Machine and equipment builders face challenges beyond the successful design of factory equipment. In order to beat your competition, you need to create compelling sales proposals that clearly articulate how your equipment will successfully interface with your customer's facility. Factory design utilities include AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, Recap and Navisworks, all enhanced with exclusive factory layout functionality so that you can design, visualize, and simulate your equipment in the context of your customer's facility. With Autodesk Factory Design Utilities, you can efficiently create your own digital assets and take advantage of the extensive cloud library to speed up the creation of your sales proposals. Any CAD in Factory Design Utilities can reference data from many alternative CAD systems so that you can include models from your suppliers in your layout regardless of their CAD format. Factory Design includes tools to simplify assembly models and remove unrequired detail as part of the asset creation process. Asset creation in Factory Design allows you to establish a landing surface for your asset, connection points for chaining assets, and parametric values to make it easy to place, size, and configure each model based on your layout requirements. Factory assets can be published and shared with anyone using Factory Design Utilities. Your assets can be published to your local server or Autodesk Vault, or published to the cloud where you have the option to share your assets with your customers in the factory community. Factory Design Utilities allows you to place your machine designs in the hands of any engineering service provider, manufacturer, or factory owner. Assets created with the Factory Design Utilities can be configured in both AutoCAD and Inventor, allowing users to use the right tool at the right point in their workflow. Your assets can also be utilized by your sales staff, allowing them to demonstrate and highlight the machines they sell in context with your customer's factory line to clearly articulate the design intent with realistic renderings and animations that show your customer how your solution is the best fit for their needs. It's easy to see how Autodesk Factory Design Utilities provides machine builders a faster and easier method to create accurate digital models of their equipment in the context of their customer's factory layout. Develop factory assets that can be publicized to the entire factory design community and create compelling, interactive 3D marketing materials that accurately convey design intent to help your company win more bids with Autodesk